This week in Strasbourg, naturally, our thoughts have been with the families of those who were killed in Paris in the last weeks, and with all those who've been injured and all those affected by the terrible atrocities. We've been talking a lot about that, but we've also been looking ahead to what's happening in Paris next week. And Monday begins the global conference on climate change. It's an opportunity that we haven't had in 20 years to make a real difference, that world leaders are coming together, and with enough pressure we can ensure that they actually agree to binding targets and to a timetable of activity that will ensure that we stop global warming from reaching a dangerous level. Now, I was one of the people intending to go to Paris next weekend to take part in the huge climate change march. That's now been cancelled, but we can all make a difference in our own communities. And I know from the messages I've received from lots of you in Wales that you want to make your voice heard in getting this global agreement. So we can take part in our communities across Wales. Things will be happening. You can make your voice heard. You can express your wish for the world leaders in the next few weeks to actually make a decision that's not just going to help us today, but is going to help generations to come.